corpse sit up. Corpse because you're gonna feel like Dracula just waking up from his coffin slumber or something like that. So hands at the sides, tuck the tailbone in, comes through with the chest, all right? The goal here is to keep those hands crossed. You don't want to pump too much. I want you to tuck the chin, pull the ribs in, and then use the abdominals to pull through. Lastly, coming up to 90 degrees. Good, back down. Legs stay straight. And when you have that extra weight, man, is that spicy. Muy caliente. Okay, keep going.
I mean, it's just all your core, right?
Oh yeah. Because you tell I can't even say it without the effort grunt. Good. Woo! Beauty. I think this one might be the one that I'm struggling with the most. This one's hard, okay? Especially with that weight high up in the thoracic spine. Like, I'm really having to work to engage my upper abdominals and drive through, finishing it in my lower abdominals. Everything to keep that tailbone tucked under, right? That hollow body that we want. Ush. Ush.
What's the noise that you're making?
Oh, that's just my demons coming out. Sweat demons.
It gives you power, right?
Absolutely. So whenever we're generating force in combat sports, we want to exhale. So first I'm trying to create a chain of power through my midline. Obviously my core, right, generates all the power, and then I have to expend that air from my core canister, right, my brace. So that air is being created with the power, expelled on the way up. Yeah.
While we have it here, the corpse crunch. Like, a lot of people might not have the power without using their arms or like some momentum to get up off the ground. Can you give them any tips for how to do that if you're just starting out?
Absolutely. Honestly, I would say strip everything back to a dead bug, which I can show you real quick. So this is, I call this your insurance policy, your dead bug. So obviously you won't want to do this with a weight vest because you want your spine to be flat against the ground. So let's just kind of, I'm going to slide up. And I want to hold my knees at 90 degrees. Step one of the corpse sit up is actually being able to engage and pull the ribs into the floor. Okay? If you can't do that, of course, it's going to be really hard. So what you want to do is focus on your breathing. I'm going to inhale naturally. I'm going to exhale and push my ribs to the floor. From there, I'm going to pull through with and try to pull my ribs into the floor. Now, if you can hold that without your neck and your shoulders getting just real jacked up, like then I'm truly using my upper abdominals to keep my ribs connected, then you can play with variations like reaching through, dropping the heels, dropping one heel, right? And then still being able to breathe while you're here. From there, then you can practice extending the legs. I'm gonna draw through, right? Then, once I'm progressing to the final stage, I can use my arms a little bit. Then I can use one arm. Then I can finally get to a place where I can use two arms. Everything's a progression. So learning how to draw the ribs in, tucking the pelvis, and then using the hands if you need to until you get to a place where you don't have to.
Nice. Nice.
Nice. Absolutely. Take that band off. Take it off.